Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to properly use the dishwasher, and this one is Bosch Dishwasher, so it has multiple levels. The first one in the bottom is usually for kettles and dishes and stuff like that. The second one is mostly used for the mugs and glasses, and the third one on top is for the spoons, knives, forks and stuff like that. Then if we talk about where to actually put what, here in front we have an compartment for dishwasher tablets. So you just throw one inside here and make sure to close this, right? That's super important. If you are using the washing stuff to make your glasses shiny, that stuff goes here. That's usually liquid. And then if we talk about a salt to prevent any stains, that goes underneath right there. So you just unscrew that and throw in salt inside. Once that is done, it's time to turn the dishwasher machine on and just choose the mode. I usually use auto, so that runs for 2 hours 35 minutes. Then you can just press start and close it and it will start washing automatically. Or let's say if you have some very dirty dishes, you might run with this mode, which just has longer duration and higher water temperatures, so it cleans better. Hope that helps. Subscribe for more.